In January 2025, the German company Rheinmetall handed over a prototype of the Skyranger 30 air defense system to the Bundeswehr. This marked an important milestone in the project aimed at enhancing the German army's capability to defend against aerial threats. The company's website notes that the prototype was delivered for testing, which will confirm its declared characteristics and operational capabilities. Currently, specialists are undergoing training to begin field tests in the spring, which will allow for an assessment of the system in real conditions and the preparation of new crews. The development of the Skyranger 30 is being carried out as part of a €595 million contract signed in February 2024. Under this agreement, the Bundeswehr ordered the production of 1 prototype and 18 production units, with the option to order 30 additional systems if the Ministry of Defense approves the necessary funding. The first production models are expected to be delivered by late 2027 to early 2028. One of the key features of the Skyranger 30 is the use of the Boxer armored vehicle platform, which significantly unifies components and facilitates maintenance. To combat various aerial threats, the system is equipped with a module featuring the KC 30mm gun, capable of firing at a high rate of up to 1,200 rounds per minute. This weapon is highly effective against both conventional and small unmanned aerial vehicles, thanks to the use of remotely fused shells. The Skyranger 30 system is also equipped with the AMMR multi-target radar in the S-band, providing full 360-degree coverage to detect even the smallest targets. The platform includes 5 antennas, ensuring comprehensive coverage.